Boys and girls, how are we doing today? Mike here with Blueface Plus. Thanks for tuning in. Tonight I just want to do a quick unboxing video on the Predator super quiet inverter picked up at Harbor Freight. This one was on, I had a 25% off coupon, so out the door I paid about 380 bucks. It's a 1400 watt max starting and 1100 watt running watts. I saw a lot of good reviews saying it's really quiet, which I want to be able to use it for work, and also for camping. I have a recreational video of a camper that I trailer that I converted to a camper, and I want to run this off of it. So next month when I'm up north, I'm actually going to try to run this off of a small camper. So I will make a part 2 video of this, of how quiet it is, if it's going to be able to feed the AC unit and the mini fridge I have in there, and test this. It says 7 hours of run time, so we're gonna test all that. But right now, I just wanted to do an unboxing video so you guys can kind of just see it's real lightweight. It has a carbon monoxide emergency shutdown, which is a real nice safe feature. I like that. Let's see here. Get some of these settings. It says it's quieter, more efficient, longer running, safe power. All right. I believe it has like a 9. It's like 9.4 amps, which is just under 10 amps. So, and some people were saying that this thing was actually running a lot more than that, which probably isn't good. So, for the equipment, but obviously it gives you the owner's manual. I'd recommend reading that. Gives us some cables here. I think those are low voltage cables. Plugs in. Maybe it's to charge batteries. A lot of people are talking about charging their solar batteries with it. Gives you a little tube, special tube for adding the oil. Spark plug wrench. Alright, overall, it looks like it's pretty well packed. I'm going to go ahead and just pull this out. Basically like the size of a 5-gallon fuel tank. So just give you guys just a quick overall look. Looks like actually has a 20 amp plug on there. The reset, the on off, a little ground. This is for the DC USB, so you can charge cell phones. Overall, it's got the carbon monoxide shutoff, ESC throttle. I think that's the safe power. Generator needs a minimum of clearance of 5 foot. Here's a side view of it. Start, run, engine switch, on, off. We're not going to mess with that. Obviously, we're going to take that off, I believe, to put oil. There's the exhaust. Some more specs. But overall, I even think this thing full with fuel is going to be pretty easy to work with. So, overall, that's just the unboxing. There's not much to it. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm going to go ahead and put oil in this. Obviously, I'm going to make sure it's ready to go. I'm not going to put gas in it until next month, but I will make a part 2 video so you can hear it running. So just be sure to like and subscribe, hit that notifier bell button, and it'll notify you on all my future videos. You'll be able to see this. I did try drilling a shallow well. I may attempt a second attempt, I'm not sure, but either way, we plan on doing some work there in the near future, and if we get a well professionally drilled, I will probably document a video of that as well. But either way, like I said, I got to do some cleanup. I'll have this out there running. I'm gonna put it to the test, let you guys know what I think of it. I'm a licensed electrician in Palm Beach County. If you guys need service or maintenance, feel free to give me a call, reach out to me, email, schedule service. But either way, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Thanks again. Stay tuned for my next video. Take care and God bless y'all. Alrighty guys, real quick. So it's actually a 9.2 amp max total. You remove this screw when you got to add the oil. This basically screws down into there so you can add it. Also, they give you a spark plug wrench, so if you got to pull the plug. Another cool thing is they actually give you a carburetor rebuild kit, some jets for future, which is cool. Quick little safety thing: 20 feet away from home structure trailer with 5 feet of clearance. That's where they meant by that. They have these known symptoms for carbon monoxide poisoning. So just wanted to give you a quick spec. Here's the actual specs. You guys can pause it so you can read it. But just regular type SAE 10W30 motor engine oil. Capacity is 0.26 quarts. Has the run time at 25% load, full tank, 7.3 hours. Got the decibels there for you guys. So also just wanted to update you with that information as well. I appreciate it. Thanks. Take care.